Today I head out in search of some high mountain roads, hoping to get a great view of some granite mountains and majestic ridgelines. We wind our way along Forest Service roads looking for one of several turnoffs onto a jeep trail that will quickly climb to 9,000 feet. The road is mostly on a ridge leading to great views. After a couple miles we find our turnoff with the correctly marked Jeep designation. The first turnoff was motorcycle only. The road up is fairly steep. At about 8,300 feet, however, we run into snow. And not just any snow, this drift is massive. It piles up along the road and it's pretty solid too, not very slushy. It's about as tall as I am on the other side of the road, making it impassable for our vehicles. I'm kind of used to the whole snow cutting the camping trip short thing. You see, I've already had one trip this summer, earlier this month, where I was cut short by snow. It's just a common occurrence and it takes the snow forever to melt, which is unfortunate. I also had a camping trip last year cut short by snow. High mountain snow not melting until late in the summer is just a common occurrence at these higher elevations of 8, 9, and even 10,000 feet. So, no surprise here, just a bummer. We're forced to head back down the mountain and meander onward, looking for another route in. There's supposed to be one more access. Unfortunately, the trail is not marked for full-size vehicles. We turn around again. This is a surprisingly large stream for how high up it is. The size of the culvert is telling us to how much water the stream may see at peak flow. Not many sites exist along the side of the main road. A lot has deteriorated or been marked closed, so we end up back where we started, pulling off right before the snowdrift. This is not a level campsite at all, so some rocks are in order.
Am I on? Perfect.
This video is sponsored by Bonds Life and their portable smokeless fire pits as seen in this video. This is my second time using the Bonds Life stove and I find it to be a great addition to my truck camping setup. Here's a quick setup and demonstration of the fire pit. It's a simple 3-piece setup. It has a ring for the top of the pit as well as a stand for the bottom. It burns off all or most smoke once you get it going and I found it very easy to set up and light. Fires produce much less smoke and burn strong thanks to the protection from the wind. It's a great way to have a reliable, safe, and strong fire all without the annoying smoke smell and irritation from a regular campfire. The key to getting the least smoke is having all the fire burning below the top of the pit, as this allows a burning of the smoke to occur. Towards the end of the video, I'll show you how I clean and store it. A link to the fire pit is in the description as well as a discount code. With the fire burning, we get to tossing our aerobie frisbee. I've never done this on a camping trip, but it's a great pastime. And here you can see how easy the stove is to clean. You just empty it into the existing fire pit here with your ashes, and it has a nice cover. I like to keep it in the box and it fits nicely in my truck bed.